Starting with AI is exciting, but let me save you some time, money, and a couple of
Oh, I can't believe I fell for that.
moments. In this video, I'm going to share the mistakes that I made so that you don't have to. Lesson number 1, don't subscribe to every AI tool. Look, I get it. The newest AI tools promise to make you a superhero. Boost productivity by 300%, automate your life, never write an email again. All of those sound magical, right? But here's the catch. You don't need them. In fact, you don't need most of the AI tools out there. The majority of these AI tools do the same thing with a different coat of paint, and most are just wrappers around platforms like ChatGPT or Gemini. I spent hundreds of dollars before realizing this. Let's stop the madness. Actionable tip number 1. Here's what you do instead. Start with one general purpose large language model, something like ChatGPT Pro, and learn it inside and out. Make it work for you by setting custom instructions, and get really comfortable using it before moving to niche tools. Need image generation? Try free versions of platforms like DALL-E, which is available on ChatGPT's platform, or Ideogram, before shelling out cash for every random AI tool that comes across your social media feed. Always ask, does this solve a real problem? Or am I just curious? Lesson number 2, set calendar reminders for trials. How many times have you signed up for a free trial only to wake up to an unexpected $39.99 charge from Super AI Monthly? Yeah, same. The workaround is insanely simple. Use tools like privacy.com to create virtual cards with spending limits. This way, even if you forget, you'll never overspend. Actionable tip number 2, audit your subscriptions monthly. Once a month, take 10 minutes to check your subscriptions. Cancel what you're not actively using. Trust me, that $12 for a forgotten text-to-speech tool adds up. Lesson number 3, the value of prompt libraries. Here's what no one tells you. The real power of AI isn't in the tools, it's in the prompts. When I started, I wasted hours writing new prompts every time I used ChatGPT. Now I keep a prompt library, a living Notion database where I store and tweak my best ones. If you aren't familiar with Notion, Google Docs or any note-taking app will work. Actionable tip. Start your prompt library today. Use sections like personal productivity, content creation, or data analysis. Need a head start? I've shared a link to my AI Empowerment Starter Prompt Library in the description. You're welcome. You can also download templates online or borrow from communities like Reddit's ChatGPT Hub. A strong library makes your AI exponentially more effective. And it's free. Mistake number 5, not customizing AI outputs. I used to take AI's output at face value. Just copy, paste, done. Big mistake. AI-generated content is a starting point, not the finished product. If you are not tweaking it, you're missing out on the real magic, making it fit your style, your tone, and your needs. Here's what to do. Give AI feedback. Use phrases like, make this sound more professional, or rewrite this to be more conversational. If you are using tools like ChatGPT, take advantage of its memory feature. Train it to understand your preferences. You can do this by uploading samples of your writing style. Or when ChatGPT gives you a response that you like, click the thumbs up icon under the output. This tells the AI model to give you more responses like that. Over time, you will be astonished at how well the AI learns your styles and preferences. Mistake number 6, trying to automate everything at once. Automation overload is real. I once spent days trying to get AI to fully automate my email responses, only to find myself fixing a bunch of awkward replies. Some tasks are worth automating, others not so much. Focus on automating repetitive, low-stakes tasks first. For example, summarizing articles, generating social media drafts, or creating meeting notes. Leave high-stakes tasks like client emails or strategic planning partially manual until you're confident that the AI can handle them. Once you're ready to automate, tools like Zapier or Make can help streamline workflows without going overboard. So what's the big takeaway? Be selective, be strategic, and most importantly, be patient with yourself. Learning AI is a process, not a sprint. Did any of these tips hit home? Let me know in the comments, and if you're ready to level up your AI game, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.